Article 5 to 11 speaks about citizenship. So this comes under the part 2 of our Indian Constitution. Citizens of our country is divided into two, that is citizens and aliens. Aliens are nothing but people from other countries. So Article 5 speaks about citizenship by domicile. There are several conditions to fulfill, and the case laws you can write for Article 5 is D.P. Joshi versus Madhya Bharati, and Pradeep Jain versus Union of India, Mohammad Raza versus State of Bombay, and Louis D. Dat versus Union of India. So here in Pradeep Jain versus Union of India, the Supreme Court has held that in India, Article 5 recognizes only one domicile. It does not recognize the notion of state domicile. So in D.P. Joshi versus Madhya Bharati also, the court has held that it is only one domicile in India. In Mohammad Raza versus State of Bombay, the appellant came to India in 1938 and he went on pilgrimage to Iraq in 1945. On return, he was registered as a foreigner and several times his stay in India was extended. In 1957, his request to extend the stay period was refused and he contended that he must be regarded as a citizen of India under Article 5. But his appeal was dismissed. So the court held that though he was original resident, he did not acquire Indian citizenship because he did not have a domicile in India. In Louis D. Redat, sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong, versus Union of India, the petitioners, they were foreign nationals, came to India before independence, and they were staying continuously on the basis of foreign passport and residential permits. In those days, permits were there and they used to extend their permits and they used to stay in India. They were engaged in Christian missionary work, and at once they requested for their citizenship. The central government did not give them a citizenship of India. So they challenged the order of central government because they were failure to acquire Indian citizenship. So the Supreme Court held that they failed to establish that they had an intention to reside in India permanently. For the acquisition of a domicile of choice, it must be shown that the person concerned had a certain state of mind, that is, animus manandi.